Here is how you can play GTA San Andreas Online Multiplayer on your Android phone. First, go to the Play Store and download this app. After downloading it, open the app and update it. In the nickname section, choose Player, and you can also change the server from here. Now, when you enter the server, you need to create your in-game name using your first name and last name separated by an underscore. You will also need to create a password. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any errors or problems.